Okay, Spencer UK, here I am. Why do you do what you do on the Life Video Network site?
Listen, bitch. This meeting never took part. I script the site to get people come to my room. Sometimes I even ban my friends from my show to make it look less that it is me scripting.
But people are aware of who you are. Does that not bother you?
Shut the fuck up and listen. I make friends. I capture each and every one of them. Then I can abuse them with edited shit and make them look foolish.
But some are genuine friends.
I cannot get out of bed. I watch school children. I have over 1,000 porn channels on my PC. Why would I need them fools? I have the best show on livevideo.com. People are scared of me. People respect me.
So why are people making cartoon characters of you like This, for instance?
Because we all know Action Man is a cunt. And he is behind this. Or is it Tesla or the Rogue or Angie and Karen or SpookyPit? I am beginning to think I am causing issues.
So why don't you stop and say sorry for your badness? People do forgive.
Shut up, bitch. You are getting into my head. Everyone loves me. I am the best online DJ. I am many people there. I have lots of suck accounts. I hack the rooms. I have the power.
But friends are more important than the power you are feeling in your head. Remember, you are only fooling yourself.
I am not listening to this no more. Go away, let me go back to my bed. I have multiple cirrhosis. Feel sorry for me. I am poorly. Why is the world against me?